Hi there, I'm Taufik Raihan here from The Road to, and today we're gonna do the unboxing of my new Shark Nano helmet. Stay tuned. So before I dive in any further regarding about this product, please do take note that I'm not being sponsored or being paid by any company regarding about this product. This is my honest unboxing video. So what do you get? You get yourself a box here, and now let's open it up. Okay, here you go. First of all, you receive a sock back helmet here, and now let's open it up. Okay. Here you go, guys. This is the Shark helmet. Okay, first of all, this is not the only Shark product that I ever own in their lineup. I own their full face, their open face. All I can say is that they make a good quality product. Alright. So, what you get here, you got yourself a thermoplastic shell. It comes with two shells. From XS to M will be one shell, and from L to XL will be another shell. So the differences between sizing, in the between of the sizing, will be their inner liner. Now let's take a look at the further detail here. Now let's start up from the front here. Now let's open up. Okay, here you go. You start off from the visor. First of all, the visor here, you can see it's a come with the clear visor, but of course there is a tinted visor. If you want to, they're sold separately. And one thing I like about this visor is that it is anti-fog. Well, how do you know this is an anti-fog visor? You take a look here. There is a liner for the air. Is meant to be anti-fog. So how do you know it's an anti-fog? Now let's take a look closer. So if you can see, that is the anti-fog system. You don't need an anti-fog lens to put on it. It's already come with it. That's a huge value over there. And it also comes with the sun visor. Now let's take a look here. So you can see. Okay. One thing I like about the Shark helmet here is that the sun visor is the best sun visor I ever experienced. I mean, I tried the MT helmet, just to name a few, MT, Nolan, AGV. Their sun visor is the most premium that I ever experienced. But that is subjective to the rider itself. But for me, their sun visor is the best. So the inner lining they are using here is the Microtech lining, which can absorb moisture and is removable and washable. Next come along will be the double strap. This again, the double strap. Please do take note that this product is being inspected by the Singapore Land Transport Authority. So it comes with the double ring here. But the truth is, Shark doesn't give you a double ring. They give you a clip ring. I will show you. Here. This is the original product before it's been inspected by the Land Transport Authority Singapore. Okay. So my preference, I prefer the original come from the Shark, not from the Singapore inspected helmet. Now, the air intake. Sadly, there's only one air intake from here. There's no other air intake except here and here when you open up the helmet. So, one thing I like about Shark is that they have one of the lightest helmet. It's weighing at 1.3 kilogram, which is good, right? For a long period of time riding. And one thing you have to take note is that no matter what brand of helmet, whether it can be RI, can be Shoei, can be whatever, The duration for the lifespan of the helmet within 4 to 7 years, depend on the manufacturer. But for this, it only can last up to 5 years. So this helmet is manufactured at the year of 2021. So currently we're shooting at this video is at 2023. So it can last up to 2026, even though the visual, it never been dropped. Safety reason to the manufacturer, you have to replace it. So in summary, it is a good helmet. The pros are way more greater than the cons. So all I can say, in that situation, this is a good helmet for city use. And the cons only I can find is that it only have one air intake. Other than that, it's all perfect. You got yourself a premium visor, sun visor, premium lining, and you got yourself a safety double D ring rod from Singapore, only for Singapore product. And there's one thing, that downside for all the shark helmet is that they look hideous. So what I mean by hideous is the design and the artwork of their product lineup compared to the other brand. They are the worst. But why I still prefer them is because their safety, they are comfortable, and they are one of the lightweight in most of their product. That's why I still prefer a shark helmet. That means I choose their quality over their looks. That's why I still love them. So without further ado, if you got anything that I missed out about this helmet, please comment down below, and please like and subscribe this channel for future content. And I'm Taufik Raihan here from The Road to. Till next time.